How does cryptocurrency function? Bitcoin was the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, but there are thousands of different types of cryptocurrencies. Many, such as Litecoin and Cardano, share Bitcoin's core characteristics but experiment with new transaction methods. Others provide a broader range of features. For example, Ethereum can be used to run applications and create contracts. However, all four are based on a concept known as the blockchain, which is critical to understanding how cryptocurrency works. A blockchain, at its most basic, is a list of transactions that anyone can view and verify. For example, the Bitcoin blockchain keeps track of every time someone sends or receives Bitcoin. This list of transactions is critical for most cryptocurrencies because it allows secure payments to be made between strangers without the need for a third-party verifier, such as a bank. Blockchain technology is also exciting because it has many applications other than cryptocurrency. Blockchains are being used to investigate medical research, improve healthcare record sharing, streamline supply chains, increase internet privacy, and much more. The principles underlying Bitcoin and the Bitcoin blockchain were first published online in a white paper published in late 2007 by a person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. The blockchain ledger is distributed across all computers on the network, with each computer constantly verifying that the blockchain is correct. This means that there is no central vault, entity, or database that can be compromised, stolen, or manipulated. To transfer coin ownership on a secure and distributed ledger, cryptocurrency uses a technology known as public-private key cryptography. A private key is a highly secure password that should never be shared with anyone and allows you to send value over the network. To receive value on the network, an associated public key can be freely and safely shared with others. It is impossible for anyone to guess your private key from the public key. What exactly is cryptocurrency mining? The majority of cryptocurrencies are mined through a decentralized, also known as peer-to-peer network of computers. Mining, however, does more than just generate more Bitcoin. It is also the mechanism that keeps the network up to date and secure by constantly verifying the public blockchain ledger and adding new transactions. Anyone with a computer and an internet connection can technically become a miner. But, before you get too excited, keep in mind that mining is not always profitable. Depending on the cryptocurrency you mine, the speed of your computer, and the cost of electricity in your area, you may end up spending more on mining than you earn in cryptocurrency. As a result, most crypto mining is now done by specialized companies or large groups of individuals who all contribute their computing power. How does the network encourage miners to contribute to the blockchain's upkeep? Using Bitcoin as an example, the network organizes a lottery in which all mining rigs around the world compete to be the first to solve a math problem, which also verifies and updates the blockchain with new transactions. Each winner receives new Bitcoin, which can then be traded in the larger market. Where does the value of cryptocurrencies come from? The economic value of cryptocurrency, like the economic value of all goods and services, is determined by supply and demand. The term supply refers to how much is available, such as how many Bitcoin are available to buy at any given time. People's desire to own it is referred to as demand, as in how many people want to buy Bitcoin and how strongly they want it. A cryptocurrency's value will always be a balance of both factors. Other types of value exist as well. There's the value you get from using a cryptocurrency, for example. Many people enjoy spending or gifting cryptocurrency because it gives them a sense of accomplishment to be a part of such an exciting new financial system. Similarly, some people prefer to shop with Bitcoin because of its low fees and because they want to encourage businesses to accept it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more crypto-related videos.